I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so blessed. I have to tell you, I feel like there are so many people in the doll community that I could just sit down and talk to, and we would just laugh and have a good time. Jaime is one, and that's Jaime from Let's Talk About It with Jaime. She has a fun channel. She does a lot of unboxings. She has a fantastic doll collection that she has really invested in, and she's cute to the bone. You pull her up on screen, she's cute to look at, and her little personality, or I should say her big personality, is just, you just like her immediately. And she sent me Happy Meal. Woohoo! Thank you, Jaime. I did open this, and I opened it upside down. So let's see what I got. How fun is Happy Meal? I'm telling you, it is so fun. What makes me happy? Created by students from Perkins Lower School. Isn't that cute? Little art that they made a card out of. And then inside, Dear Dolls Rescued. Here are a couple of things that made me think of you. I love your channel. Thank you for all your hard work. Have a happy Dolly Day, Jaime. She is just a little sweetheart. Check this out. This is her channel's Let's Talk. And she also has a card. She's very active on Instagram. She's on Facebook. I don't know that well, I guess it's on her card, so I guess I'll just, it has her P.O. box. Well, that's what she sent me, her card. Jaime, if it was not okay to show that, I apologize, but it's a business card. And I want people to see how cute you are on there. Inside, I will save this for last, is the cutest little troll doll. Look at this. She is so thoughtful. I love troll dolls, and I have a large collection. Look at this little outfit. That is so cute. What does this say? Sami International, made in China. Oh, look at this. It's got an actual zipper on there. Oh, you just don't see that. Oh, wait a minute. It does something. We're going to have to get a battery, Darren, and show what it does. I'm betting the eyes light up. And then there's something else. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this little ball jointed doll. Oh, this is really cute. I love these little 8-inch dolls. Look at this outfit and these shoes. It has shoes. Wow, it's very articulated too. Look at the hand is not just moving up and down. It's going around, and so does the arm. Let's take our little jacket off and take a look. Oh, I love this outfit. It has that Rosie, what was her? Rosie the Riveter, yeah, look to it. How cute is that? For those of you that don't know Rosie the Riveter, it was when women in America, actually the world, went into the workforce to help out with World War II. Look at that's turned, so we have to turn it before the knee bends. And then we move the foot back over. Wow, wow, thank you. That is cute. Look at that thick hair. Oh, and I'm turning that color. I love this doll. This is really cute, and her little dress is made very well. Velcro in the back, so you can change her out. This has actually elastic on it. That's a big deal. That is a well-made headband. And look at the little jean jacket. Oh, God, that's so cute. It has all the trim on it. Oh, that's adorable. Thank you so much. I got to go find a battery for my troll so I can show it off more. Sadly, I don't have a C battery, so I have to wait to play with my Soma troll. Thank you so much, Jaime. It's a big deal when Happy Meal comes. I'm telling you, it is so fun, and you just feel so loved, and it's very exciting. Thank you very much. And that, again, we'll put a link to Jaime's channel in our description, and it is Let's Talk About It with Jaime. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.